What difference has mind in the making knowledge about, executive functions, WOOP, life skills, in addition to the connection with others that you've made via mind in the making, have on your own life?
So many. I would say with executive functions, it would be my inhibitory control. We always teach executive functions, all of mind in the making, really, even the skills to the adult first, and then transfer it into how we can promote it to the children. And it's amazing how adults think they're coming for some type of parenting class or some sort of wisdom, but really we identify it in ourselves first. So for me, for the executive function piece, it's inhibitory control. I constantly, a pause is your best friend before, and then just moving forward with intention. But if you can just take that second to not get that knee-jerk reaction and really thoughtfully kind of gauge what you're dealing with, the pause has helped me tremendously. For life skills, my favorite fallback is perspective taking. And that would be with my own family as well, putting myself in my 20 and 22-year-old shoes with my children. And that's another thing about the workshops is people always think, oh, I don't have small children anymore. They don't have to be small. It's applicable in adults' lives, teens, up until young adults and beyond. But that perspective taking has helped me a lot. And there's this platinum rule in there of treat others how they want to be treated. That was a big game changer for me, because just because this is what I want doesn't mean that that's what the people in my life want. And so that helped me a lot. And finally, the whoop. I try to do a whoop with each cohort I teach, and that's a great goal setting tool. That looking at the obstacle, the second O of the whoop has been a game changer, because many times you could just try and try and try and but until you look at what's getting in your way, that was huge for me, and probably some of the greatest success stories that come out of the workshops.